Ooh.
There you go.
Oh yeah, I felt that one.
Is that too much? You okay?
I'm good.
Oh, there's like one right here on the side. Gotcha. There you go. Any dizziness or vertigo when I'm doing this?
No.
Feels all right.
Yeah.
Right on the spine. Chin back for me. Ooh. There you go. Chin up. Excellent. Right here. There you go. Ooh. You okay?
Uh-huh.
Doing okay here in the feet?
Yeah.
You can kind of feel it. Oh. I feel all right?
Uh-huh.
Oh. I'm gonna adjust it. Deep breath in.
Quick interruption. This will be worth it. We now offer 2 foam roller densities, a softer foam roller that provides gentle relief, ideal for beginners or sensitive muscles. We also provide a firm version to target deeper tissues for a more intense muscle releasing experience. I modeled my roller in the shape of my thumbs. Head on over to our official website, pendragonmerch.com.
Oh my. Oh my goodness. That was a lot. Okay. Deep breath in again. There it is. That's it. Excellent. Deep breath in. And out. Good. Good. Let me get some more. Oh my, that's a knot there.
Or when I push here?
Not really.
This is where her kyphosis is the most. All right, I'm gonna push into it here. Is that too much?
No, you're good.
Okay. My hair. That's it. It's looking to see the hip too. You all right? I'm gonna pull this up.
No, you're good.
That tissue right there. Ugh. It's okay. She's got like scars in here just from standing. Right there. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then some. Oh, there you go. Okay, here we go. That one right there. That's the one I'm after. Oh, there it is.
do it over the pants. It's like, it's pretty low. Get a better angle. Right here. You okay with me doing this?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. There you go. Oh my. Yeah, you bruised. Now, what's interesting is what is over here. I'm like, there's gotta be. Yeah. I knew it. I could feel it, you know. I'm like, oh, it's under our little rib. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna see it.
My body's a mystery.
It's okay. It's my job to figure it out. It's okay. You want to take a picture of that for her so we can show her? Right there. Oh, I hear some crunchies. When you're relaxed, it relaxes. Ooh. Whoosh. Like, watch. Right there. It's like a huge, oh. Right there. There you go. Here we go.
try doing it then. I just... You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because I feel that one right there too. Right there, so I'm like, oh, there you go. That's it. I kind of have to go, like I can show this little break here.
No, you're good.
So she ripped this here. You see the little bump here? Now, like if you look at the other foot, like you would think nothing of it, but like if you look at this foot, she doesn't have it here. And then you see this. No? Can you see, Linnea? Like watch. You see how this sticks out? See how it's like whiter here?
Mm-hmm.
And this side she doesn't have it at all. Right there, that's where it tore. But guess what? There's muscle attached to that. All the way up here. Okay. So yeah, we just comb that down. Then we try to angle it all the way down the length of the foot. She's saying like, I'm stepping weird. I'm like, yeah, I saw it. So like right there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now look at this one. You okay with that? That's kind of what I have to do.
Yeah, you're good.
I can work on this one briefly, just to balance it out. But, poor foot. We're on them all day. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna turn it. Okay.
You're good.
See how it's even into here. Any pain here?
Not like terrible pain.
Okay. Oop, that's good. Just making sure I get the whole calf. There you go. Okay. Just gonna hold her like that and really stretch it. There's like a little bit of inflammation right here. Like I rarely get petechiae on people's legs, but this is from the break here.
Yeah.
So this is what I'm talking about. This muscle goes like this. So when this broke, it shortened this.
There you go. Oh. Oh. Let's see if I can get that out of there. Okay, okay. There you go. Okay, up into the neck. Alright, let me show you your neck. Alright, okay, so this is your neck. Oh,
Yeah, like
spicy.
I just went like a little bit.
Yeah.
I mean, I wasn't even going that hard.
Yeah, you feel that? So yeah, you come in here and then you open. Open up your jaw just a little. Yeah, feel that?
Pop my ear.
We can do that too.
Lean away.
No, perfect. Ooh. Well, okay, so there's a little bit more inflammation on the left.
Okay.
And you can go, I'm going to press your head like against me, and now open. Yeah, you see how you stretch that?
Uh-huh. It definitely doesn't get stuck as much as it used to.
Well, that's good. It's tight.
I'm gonna pull you. I got you. There you go.
Perfect. No, that's fine. Other side.
Like, you gotta work on that. Like,
Pubic symphysis.
Okay.
there it goes.
Perfect. So it's tight on the front. You have good mobility, like in the joint back there, but the front. Feel that?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just gonna pull first, all right?
Okay.
Just like tug. That's it. You kind of get it, what I'm gonna do?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna pull, and it'll pop, pop, pop a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Baby one.
Okay.
Take a deep breath in.
Ooh.
Yeah? You want more?
Yeah, you can do it again.
Okay.
I felt it like.
Yeah, down in there.
Yeah.
That's kind of where you're saying you're tight. So I'm doing it just, I don't really want it any lower than mid-chest,
Mm-hmm.
but deep breath in. There you go.
Oh yeah, I felt that one.
That's it. Okay. Now just relax there for a second. You okay?
Yeah.
Right here. Right, relax. No, that was it. And then all the way back for me. This is where you're tight, right there.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want more pressure, arms go up and over.
I can definitely feel it on my back.
At the end of the day, give me like 5-10 minutes. You think you can do it? Now, if the arms, but the rule is they go tingly, bring them down.
Okay.
If you want less pressure too, sometimes I just feel it. You can't do this wrong. Like just get to where you want it. But I want you to stay there kind of like that. See, when you're like this, do you see how the muscles stretch this way?
Mhm.
And they relax this way. They get a break. That's why it feels good to lay down. You know, because you're actually just well, number one, the muscles aren't engaged. But number two, you're shortening them. Now I'm really shortening them.
Yeah.
So it feels uncomfortable. When you get off of it, you'll feel it. Yeah, just roll to the side. There you go. And look at yourself in the mirror. This is what I want you to work on. Like, look at your, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, because you want to do that. And this is starting to stick out, and I don't want that.
I have terrible posture.
Well, not anymore. I don't. No, the hug wants to be like this now. Yeah.
Okay.
Relax this, because I can squash that, but as soon as you do that, that
Yeah.
pulls.